In the heart of a beautiful forest, a tiny kingdom thrived, unseen by giants and full of life.
Who run this forest, ants? Ants! We run this forest. Yeah. Wait, do you feel that vibration? The ground is shaking. The giant is back. Intruder is here. He's back again. He's invading our land. Run! Run! Let's run for safety. What is he doing? He's here to kill. Everyone, take cover.
Today I must get my biggest hunt. Boom. Did I? Yeah.
He killed the deer. Our friend has been killed. Oh no. Our homes.
Yeah, I gotcha. My biggest catch. Hooray. Good job. Let's go home, boy. My soul. Rejoice and be happy. Roasted or barbecue?
O King, reign forever. Save our colony, our homes, our friends. O mighty giants, we are small, but we live. Spare our land. This forest is our home. Please let nature breathe. Let life remain. Let us live in peace. Even the smallest voices deserve to be heard. Every life matters, even the smallest ones.